In the wonderful land of toys, where magic happened every day, there was a special toy excavator named Excavaroo. When parents were away, Excavaroo, with its bright yellow scoop and friendly smile, came to life, bringing joy to the playroom. One morning, as the sun painted the sky with hues of pink and orange, Excavaroo discovered something extraordinary. A giant bubble bath had appeared in the middle of the playroom. Rubber duck, blue fish, green frog, yellow submarine, and their bubbly friends were happily floating, but needed help. Excavaroo revved up its wheels and called upon its toy friends for an adventure. "Fear not, bath toys. Excavaroo is here to rescue you," it declared with excitement. With a swish and a swash, Excavaroo used its sturdy scoop to gather toys, creating a convoy of playful bath adventurers. Teddy Boat and Sailboat Teddy joined the rescue mission, hitching a ride on Excavaroo's mighty back. "Off we go to the bubbly seas," shouted Excavaroo, its headlights shining bright. As they reached the giant bubble bath, Excavaroo cleverly extended its arm to scoop up the floating toys. "Up, up we go!" cheered Excavaroo, using its different parts to rescue each toy from the bubbly waves. But the adventure didn't end there. Splash! A colourful beach ball bounced into the bath, joining the rescue party. Red, blue, green, yellow. The beach ball added a burst of vibrant colours to the bubbly sea. Excavaroo, with its toy friends and rescued bath toys, transformed the bubble bath into a lively playground. Bubbles floated in the air, tickling everyone's noses as the toys laughed and played. Suddenly, a twist in the tale. A rainbow train magically appeared, chugging along with numbers and colours painted on each car. Excavaroo's scoop transformed into a conductor's hat as it led the toy friends onto the rainbow train. "All aboard the rainbow train. Let's learn our colours and numbers as we ride through the bubbly wonders," announced Excavaroo. As the rainbow train chugged along, Excavaroo taught its friends about colours: red, blue, green, yellow, and more, and numbers, counting each passing car. With the setting sun casting a warm glow over the playroom, Excavaroo and its toy friends returned to their resting spots, ready for another magical day when parents were away. And so, in the land of toys, Excavaroo's bubble bath expedition became a cherished tale, filled with laughter, friendship, and the magic of learning through play. The end until the next enchanting adventure in the world of toys. Once upon a playroom time, in a land of colourful toys, there was a special friend named Excavaroo, the toy excavator. When parents were away and the room was filled with the giggles of dreams, Excavaroo woke up. Its bright yellow scoop and friendly grin signalled the beginning of another magical day. One sunny morning, Excavaroo had an idea, a grand toy Olympics challenge. It called upon its toy friends, from Speedy Racecar Red to Bouncy Ball Blue, and gathered everyone around for an exciting competition. "Welcome, toy athletes, to the Toy Olympics," declared Excavaroo, its scoop transforming into a microphone. The playroom buzzed with excitement. The first event was the toy truck race. Racecar Red revved its wheels, Train Teal hooted its horn, and Excavaroo set up a track with colourful blocks as obstacles. "On your marks, get set, go," shouted Excavaroo, as the toy trucks zoomed and vroomed, racing towards victory. Next up was the block stacking challenge. Green Dinosaur, Pink Bunny, and even the cheeky Monkey Orange took turns stacking blocks as high as they could. Excavaroo used its scoop to make sure each block was steady, creating a tower of rainbow colours. "Fantastic stacking, everyone!" cheered Excavaroo as the tower reached the clouds. As the Toy Olympics continued, the toys showcased their unique skills. Yellow Submarine raced through a bubbly pool, balancing its way to the finish line. Teddy Gymnast performed flips and twists, earning perfect 10s from the imaginary judges. A twist in the tail. A giant parachute floated down, transforming the Toy Olympics into a vibrant rainbow. Colours danced in the air: red, blue, green, yellow, and more. Excavaroo, with its scoop high in the air, joined the colourful parachute dance. But the surprises didn't end there. A rainbow train magically appeared, chugging along with numbers painted on each car. "All aboard the rainbow train! Let's count together," announced Excavaroo, turning the Olympics into a playful learning adventure. As the day went by, Excavaroo and its toy friends celebrated victories, shared laughter, and learned about colours and numbers in the most fun way. The Toy Olympics Challenge became a cherished memory in the land of toys, reminding everyone that playtime is not just about winning, but also about friendship and learning. With the sun setting and parents returning, Excavaroo and its toy friends rested, eagerly awaiting the next magical day of adventures. And so, in the land of toys, every day was filled with joy, play, and the sweetest dreams. The end, until the next exciting tale in the world of play.